Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pig coaster. For this tutorial you'll need a 3.5mm crochet hook, some pink double knit wool, a tiny bit of black double knit wool for the eye, and a needle. So first you're going to begin by crocheting a circle that is 10 centimeters in diameter. Now, if you don't know how to do this, you can watch my tutorial on how to crochet a circle, and I will link that in the description box below for you. So refer to that if you need to. So once you've done that, the next thing to do is make the tail for the pig. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a chain of 6, and once you've done that, you'll then skip the first chain, and in the second chain from the hook you're going to do a treble crochet, and you're going to carry on doing one treble crochet into each chain. In total this will give you 5 treble crochet. And then you're going to do a slip stitch into the circle, and that just joins the tail onto the circle. And then if you just cut the wool, you will just see that that is the tail formed, and it should curl slightly. The next thing to do is to make another circle, and this is going to be 5 centimeters in diameter, and this is going to form the head of the pig. So again, you can watch my video on how to make a circle if you are unsure on this. So following on from this, we're going to make an ear for the pig. So you're going to do a chain of 4, and then you're going to skip the first chain from the hook, and in the second chain from the hook you're going to do 1 double crochet, and you're going to repeat this in the next 2 chains after that. And when you've done that, you're going to chain 1, then turn the work over, and then you're going to do 1 double crochet back across into each of the next 3 stitches. And when you've done that, you're going to chain 1. So I'm just going to chain 1, turn the work, then I'm going to do 2 double crochet together, and then I'm going to do 1 double crochet, and then you're going to chain 1, turn the work, and then do 2 double crochet together. And then that makes the point for the ear. That is the ear done. So for the snout, which we're going to go on to next, you're going to do a chain of 5, and then you will skip the first chain from the hook, and in the second chain from the hook you will do 1 double crochet, and you will repeat this, and when you get to the end you will do a chain of 1. So I'm nearly at the end now. So I'm going to do a chain of 1, turn the work, and then I'm going to repeat this 3 times more. So I'm going to do 1 double crochet back across into the next 4 stitches again. So when you've repeated that the desired number of times, you will get the snout, and that is ready to sew on now. So lastly, we've just got to do the 2 legs for the pig. So for this you're going to make a chain of 5. And you're going to skip the first chain from the hook, and in the second chain from the hook you're going to do 1 double crochet, and you're going to do this in the next 3 stitches after that too. And then you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to go back across, and you're going to keep crocheting until the work measures 3 centimeters. and after that you will do 2 double crochet together twice. So once you've made 2 legs, you'll have all the bits, as you can see here, ready to sew together. And then when you sew them together it should look like this, and I've just sewn a eye on in black too. And that's how you create your own crocheted coaster pig. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will be making more soon. Don't forget that I sell lots of products on eBay which you can buy. I will put the link for my eBay shop below. And I also sell products on Folksy, so I'll put the link for that shop, online shop, below too. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.